हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम लोग देखेंगे कि बीएड एंट्रेंस एग्जाम में टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड के जो क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं तो कौन से टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड के क्वेश्चन हैं जो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो मैंने कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड के का कलेक्शन किया है जो कि एग्ज़ाम पर्पस से बहुत ही बेनिफिशियल होगा। तो चलिए देखते हैं पहला क्वेश्चन है कि मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट वर्क ऑफ ए टीचर। एक टीचर का इम्पोर्टेंट वर्क क्या है, तो आंसर होना चाहिए टू ऑर्गेनाइज टीचिंग वर्क। सेकेंड है कि ए टीचर शुड बी क्या होना चाहिए, तो ड्यूटीफुल है ना, ए टीचर शुड बी ड्यूटीफुल। थर्ड, इन्वायरमेंटल एजुकेशन शुड बी टॉट इन स्कूल्स बिकॉज इट इज़ एन इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ। नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, नवोदय schools have been established to provide answer provide good education in rural areas. Number 5 है at primary level it is better to teach in mother language because it helps children in learning in a natural atmosphere. Question number 6, women are a better teacher at the primary level because they behave more पैसेंसली विथ चिल्ड्रन के साथ ज़्यादा पैसेंसली बिहेव कर सकते हैं वोमेन, इसीलिए वोमेन आर अ बेटर टीचर एट द प्राइमरी लेवल। ठीक है, चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 है यू हैव बीन सेलेक्टेड इन ऑल द 4 प्रोफेशंस गिवन बिलो। अलग अलग प्रोफेशन थे जैसे डॉक्टर हो गया, पुलिस हो गया, लॉयर हो गया, टीचर हो गया। ठीक है, तो मैंने करेक्ट आंसर को केवल लिखा है। ठीक है, गिवन बिलो वेयर वुड यू लाइक टू गो, आप किस में जाना पसंद करेंगे। तो जब टीचिंग प्रोफेशन में आप जा रहे हैं और बीएड करना चाह रहे हैं तो आपको ऑब्वियसली टीचर आंसर होना चाहिए। ठीक है, नंबर 8 है व्हाट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग वाइल राइटिंग ऑन ब्लैक बोर्ड या फिर वाइट बोर्ड जो भी है उसमें जब आप लिख रहे हैं तो क्या सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग होना चाहिए, तो गुड राइटिंग होना चाहिए टीचर का। ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 है सम स्टूडेंट्स सेंड अ ग्रीटिंग कार्ड टू यू ऑन टीचर्स डे, व्हाट विल यू डू, यू विल से। तो अलग अलग ऑप्शन थे तो करेक्ट आंसर होना चाहिए कि से थैंक्स टू देम, उनको थैंक्स कहेंगे। नंबर 10 देखते हैं। नंबर 10 है ए स्टूडेंट कम्स लेट इन योर क्लास देन यू विल, व्हाट यू विल डू, तो आंसर शुड बी ट्राई टू नो द रीज़न। ठीक है, हम लोग को सबसे पहले रीज़न पता करना है, ये नहीं कि तुरंत उसको पनिशमेंट देंगे। ठीक है, सबसे पहले रीज़न पता करना है, एक वैलिड रीज़न होना चाहिए लेट होने का। नंबर 11 व्हेन द स्टूडेंट्स बिकम फेल्ड इट कैन बी अंडरस्टूड दैट, इससे क्या समझा जाता है, जब एक बच्चा फेल हो गया तो इससे क्या समझा जा सकता है, तो इससे यह समझा जा सकता है कि द इंडिविजुअल स्टूडेंट्स फेल्यूर। इससे ऐसा नहीं कि टीचर का फेल्यूर है या मैनेजमेंट का फेल्यूर है या स्कूल फेल हो गया, वैसा नहीं है। कोई स्टूडेंट फेल है तो इसमें इंडिविजुअल स्टूडेंट का ही गलती होगा। नंबर 12 इट इज़ एन एडवांटेज ऑफ गिविंग होमवर्क दैट स्टूडेंट्स, तो होमवर्क जो स्टूडेंट को मिलता है, ठीक है, तो इसका एडवांटेज क्या है, तो करेक्ट आंसर शुड बी मे डेवलप अ हैबिट ऑफ सेल्फ स्टडी के लिए हम लोग उसको मोटिवेट करेंगे यदि होमवर्क देंगे तो, क्योंकि वो उसे कंप्लीट करना चाहेगा तो सेल्फ स्टडी उसको करना ही पड़ेगा। नंबर 13 इन कंप्यूटर्स द लेंथ ऑफ अ वर्ड इज मेजर्ड इन, किस में, तो बिट में आंसर होगा, बिट। हु इज नॉन एज फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर, तो आंसर विल बी चार्ल्स बैबेज। नंबर 15 ए टीचर हैज अ सीरियस डिफेक्ट इज, अ टीचर हैज अ सीरियस डिफेक्ट, एक टीचर के अंदर सीरियस डिफेक्ट है क्या, तो ही और सी हैज़ इमेच्योर मेंटल डेवलपमेंट, यदि मेंटली यदि सही तरीके से डेवलपमेंट नहीं है टीचर का, ठीक है, डेवलप नहीं है, तो यानी वो एक अच्छा टीचर का ये क्वालिटी नहीं है, तो एक सीरियस प्रॉब्लम है एक टीचर के तरफ से। नंबर 16 द सक्सेस ऑफ ए टीचर इज, किस पर डिपेंड करता है, तो हीज और हर गुड टीचिंग, एक अच्छा टीचिंग जो है वही डिपेंड करता है टीचर का सक्सेस से। नंबर 17 अ दिवाली फेयर इज बीइंग ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इन योर स्कूल, व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू डू, आपको क्या करना चाहिए, तो आंसर शुड बी टू टेक पार्ट इन द फंक्शन। चलिए नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 है द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट ट्रेट ऑफ अ स्टूडेंट इज, क्या होना चाहिए, एक स्टूडेंट का मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट ट्रेट क्या होना चाहिए, ठीक है, उसके अंदर क्या ऐसा गुण होना चाहिए, तो ओबीडियंस होना चाहिए। ठीक है, ओबीडियंट होना चाहिए। नंबर 19 द पर्पज ऑफ बेसिक एजुकेशन स्कीम इज, तो आंसर शुड बी टू फुलफिल द बेसिक नीड ऑफ पर्सन्स through education. Number 20 है you are a teacher, you are teaching a topic in class and a student asks a question unrelated, या बोल सकते हैं irrelevant है, to the topic. What will you do? आप क्या करेंगे? तो you will answer the question after the class. ठीक है, you should not ignore that student, but answer the question of that student, but not in the class, because it is not related to topic which has been which are discussed in the class. So you should answer after the class. Okay, number 21, if you are unable to get a job for a teacher of a teacher, then what should you do? So different options were there, but I have written only correct answer in this video. Okay, so correct answer should be continue applying for teaching job. Number 22, a teacher can motivate the students by, the correct answer should be giving suitable prizes or giving example of that student to other students, that see how he is doing, or motivating that student, or giving prizes and giving example of that student. ठीक है. Number 23, if a student does not pay any respect to you, then what you will do? यदि कोई स्टूडेंट आपको रेस्पेक्ट नहीं देता है तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए? करेक्ट आंसर शुड बी इग्नोर हिम. नंबर 24, नेशनल लिटरेसी मिशन वॉज इस्टेब्लिश्ड इन, तो 1988. द एम ऑफ, नेक्स्ट 25, द एम ऑफ नेशनल काउंसिल फॉर टीचर एजुकेशन इज टू मेंटेन स्टैंडर्ड्स इन colleges of education. Number 26, kindergarten, KG classes, kindergarten system of education was contributed by, तो Froebel. ठीक है. Number 27, National Council of Educational Research and Training was established in 1961. Next, essay type tests are not reliable because their checking is affected by examiner's mood. ऐसे टाइप यदि राइटिंग होगा तो उसमें टीचर पार्सलिटी भी कर सकते हैं, टीचर के मूड के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. हो सकता है टीचर बहुत ज़्यादा बिजी हो तो विदाउट चेकिंग ही वो एवरेज मार्किंग भी कर दे, इसलिए एक सही एवोल्यूशन नहीं हो पाएगा ऐसे टाइप राइटिंग में. नंबर 29, ए गार्जियन नेवर कम्स टू सी यू इन स्कूल, व्हाट यू विल डू? कोई एक गार्जियन है जो कभी नहीं आते हैं, कभी कुछ पता नहीं करते हैं, ठीक है, कंसल्ट नहीं करते हैं, तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए? तो करेक्ट आंसर शुड बी गो टू मीट हिम योर सेल्फ, तो आपको खुद ही जाकर उनसे मिलना चाहिए. नंबर 30, टू मेंटेन इंटरेस्ट अमंग स्टूडेंट्स इन द क्लास, ए टीचर शुड, एक इंटरेस्ट लाने के लिए स्टूडेंट के अंदर में टीचर को क्या करना चाहिए? तो आस्क, टीचर शुड आस्क क्वेश्चन टू ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स. नंबर 31, द पर्पस ऑफ द न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी इज, करेक्ट आंसर शुड बी टू इम्प्रूव द होल एजुकेशन सिस्टम. नंबर 32, to raise the standard of education it is necessary to answer to evaluate students continuously. Number 33, what is the most important for a teacher? Correct answer should be to remove difficulties of the students. Next, 34, why students should play games in school? Answer, it develops cooperation and physical balance. 35, family is a means of informal education. Number 36, there is tension among villagers and you are a teacher there. It means if you have been selected for those areas in which village means rural areas, and if you are a teacher there and there is a tension among the villagers, then what you will do? आप क्या करेंगे? Answer, you will try to pacify them. 37, a teacher can develop social values among students by behaving ideally. 38, what will you do in leisure time in school? फ्री टाइम में आप क्या करेंगे? व्हाट यू विल डू? आंसर, चेक द होमवर्क ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स. नेक्स्ट, ए टीचर ask the questions in the class to, a teacher asks the questions in the class to Answer, attracts students' attention. Next, 40. You will teaching. So a teacher ask the question. टीचर ask क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं क्लास में, क्या करने के लिए? तो आंसर होगा अट्रैक्ट स्टूडेंट्स अटेंशन. नेक्स्ट 40 नंबर. You like teaching profession because, as a teacher, why you like teaching profession? Correct answer should be you are interested in it. Next 41. How students should be motivated to get success in life? Correct answer should be intensive study. Next, in the context of the habit of absenteeism of student, the answer the teacher should take it as a serious problem. 43. To whom the responsibility of the organization of curricular activities should be stored? Correct answer should be to the principal. The responsibility should be given to the principal to look after all the curricular activities of that school or college. Okay. Next, when the students try to solve the question in some different way as taught by the teacher from prescribed books, then these students should be, so correct answer should be encouraged to consult some other books on the subject. Next 45. The experienced teachers do not require the detailed lesson plan of a topic because they can equip themselves with brief outline as they gain specialization in it through experience. Next, the problem of dropout in which students leave their schooling in the early years can be tackled in a better way through, the correct answer should be encouragement of students. Next question number 47, the ideal teacher. Who are the ideal teachers? Correct answer, the ideal teacher are a friend, philosopher and a guide. Next question number 48, the aim of education should be, the correct answer is to prepare the students for practical life. 49, the best method of checking students homework is to check by the teacher himself in a regular way. Question number 50, a time bound testing program for students should be implemented in school so that the remedial program can be adopted on the basis of the feedback from the results. Question number 51, the essential element of the syllabus for the children remained out of school should be vocational competencies. 52, the contribution of taxpayers in primary education is in the form of educational cess. Next 53, the priority of girls education should be given because only girls are capable of leading for social change. Question number 54, the success of integrated education depends on, the correct answer will be the excellence of textbooks. Next question number 55, the quality of schools education is exclusively depending upon, the correct answer will be the quality of teacher education. Question number 56, the idea of basic education is propounded by, answer Mahatma Gandhi. Next question number 57, the most important indicator of the quality of education in a school is, the answer is student achievement level. Question number 58, the best remedy of the students problems related to learning is, correct answer is diagnostic teaching. Next question number 59, the in service teachers training can be made more effective by, correct answer is practicing training follow up procedures. Next question number 60, Child Labor Prohibition Act 1986 Answer. Child Labor Prohibition Act 1986 prohibits all type of child labor up to 14 years of age of the child. Question number 61. Which one of the following is the main objective of teaching? Correct answer is to develop thinking power of the students. Question number 62. Which one is the good method of teaching? Answer, seminar and project. Question number 63. Teacher uses teaching aids. Teaching aids. Teaching aids like board, marker, okay, scale, stick to point. For example, if they are teaching geography and if they want to show the students like the different states or different districts, then for that when they use the sticks in the map to show the students that which place is located in which in the map. So these things are the teaching aids. Teaching aids. So teacher uses teaching aids for, answer will be making teaching within understanding level of students. अलग अलग तरीके जो हम लोग क्लास में अपनाते हैं क्लास को अट्रैक्टिव बनाने के लिए, टीचर को अधिक स्टूडेंट को अधिक से अधिक समझ में आएगा, उन्हीं सभी चीज़ों को टीचिंग एड्स कहा जाता है। किसके हेल्प से आप क्लास को इफेक्टिव बनाना चाह रहे हैं, ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 64. इफेक्टिवनेस ऑफ टीचिंग डिपेंड्स ऑन, करेक्ट आंसर इज सब्जेक्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ टीचर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 65. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ अ गुड क्वेश्चन पेपर. एक अच्छा क्वेश्चन पेपर का कैरेक्टरिस्टिक कौन सा नहीं है? करेक्ट आंसर इज सब्जेक्टिविटी. सब्जेक्टिविटी, ओके। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 66. क्लासरूम कम्युनिकेशन मस्ट बी, करेक्ट आंसर इज स्टूडेंट सेंटर्ड. स्टूडेंट सेंट्रिक means students should be given the priority. They are the central character of the class. That's why they can't be ignored. So student centric should be the correct answer. Next, question number 67. The best method of teaching is to, answer is initiate a discussion and participate in it. Question number 68. Interaction inside the classroom should generate, answer is ideas. Question number 69. Spare the rod and spoil the child gives the message that undesirable behavior must be punished. If a student is doing undesirable behavior or uncivilized behavior, then punishment should be given to them. Here we can't ignore those students who are disturbing the other students and showing their undesirable behavior. So they should be punished is the correct answer. Next, question number 70. The type of communication that a teacher has in the classroom is termed as group communication. Type of communication is group communication, okay, two-way communication. Question number 71. The blackboard can be utilized best by a teacher for writing important and notable points. Question number 72. Nowadays the most effective mode of learning is, correct answer is blended learning. Question number 73. At the primary school stage, most of the teachers should be women because they, correct answer is they can deal with children with love and affection. They can show, in comparison to the gents or men, women can show more love and affection to the children. That's why women should be given the preference. Question number 74. Which one is the highest order of learning? Correct answer is problem solving learning. Problem solving. If you are solving all the problems, solving all the difficulties of the students, then it is the highest order of learning. Question number 75. A person can enjoy teaching as a profession when, correct answer is when he commands respect from the students. If teacher is getting respect from the student, it means all the students are showing their interest, they are learning in a better way, and that's why they are gaining a lot from that teacher because of the knowledge of the students, because of the knowledge of the teacher. That's why they are giving respect to the students. Okay, so if any teacher is getting respect from the students, then it means that they are enjoying and they are getting what they want. Okay, and if the teacher will get respect, then teacher will also enjoy that profession. He will feel very good. Okay, question number 76. A good teacher must be, correct answer is, resourceful and participative. Teachers should also participate in each and every activities of the students, but it should be beneficial for the students and it should be for the development of the students. Those type of activities teachers should also participate. Question number 77. Which is the best method of teaching? Correct answer is demonstration method. Demonstration. Okay. Next, question number 78. Successful communication in classroom teaching is reciprocal. Reciprocal means two-way communication. Teacher are facing the students are facing the teacher, they are discussing with each other. Two-way communication is there, that is called reciprocal. Okay. 79. Which type of evaluation assesses the learning progress to provide continuous feedback of both teachers and students during instruction? Correct answer is formative evaluation. Formative evaluation. Question number 80. Class, CLASS. Class stands for, full form of class is Computer Literacy and Studies in Schools. Next, question number 81. While delivering lecture, if there is some disturbance in the class, then a teacher should, correct answer is, motivate to teach those causing disturbance. 82. Effective teaching is a function of, correct answer is, teachers making students learn and understand. Question number 83. The most appropriate meaning of learning is, correct answer is, modification of behavior. Question number 84. Arrange the teaching process in order. The first process should be formatting instructional objectives. After that, relate the present knowledge with previous one. Next process is presentation of instructional materials. Next process is evolution, and the last process is reteaching. Okay. Question number 85. CIET stands for Central Institute for Educational Technology. Central Institute for Educational Technology. Question number 86. Teachers' role at higher education level is to promote self-learning in students. Question number 87. Which is considered as a sign of motivated teaching? Correct answer is students asking question. If students are asking questions, then it is considered as a sign of motivated teaching. Okay. Question number 88. Dyslexia is related with what? Reading disorder. If reading disorder is there, then it is called dyslexia. Question number 89. Classroom communication is considered as, correct answer is, cognitive. Okay. Question number 90. Right to privacy as a fundamental right is implied in, correct answer is, right to life and personal liberty. Question number 91. Which organizations deal with capacity building program on educational planning? Correct answer will be NUEPA. The full form of NUEPA is National University of Educational Planning and Administration. Next, some other full forms are NCERT. Full form of NCERT is National Council for Educational Research and Training. The formation of NCERT was in 1961. Next, UGC, University Grants, full form of UGC, University Grants Commission. It was formed in 1956. Next, NAAC, full form is National Assessment and Accreditation Council. It was formed in 1994. Next question 92. Education is the manifestation of perfection already in man. Was stated by. Correct answer is Swami Vivekananda. Next 93. Which is not a prescribed level of teaching. Correct answer is differentiation. There should not be any differentiation in the classes. Means all are equally given preference. All students are equally treated by the teacher. There should not be any differentiation. Okay. Next question number 94. Maximum participation of students during teaching is possible through demonstration method. Okay. Demonstration means with the help of all the students, and also teacher is participating in that activity. If they are doing like that, if all are participating and doing anything, then it is the maximum, then maximum participation of student during teaching is possible through demonstration method. Okay. 95. Diagnostic evolution means, what is the meaning of diagnostic evolution? So it means, answer is causes and remedies of causes and remedies, means cause and effect. Causes and remedies means solution of that cause of persistent learning problems during instructions. Question number 96. Instructional aids are used by the teacher to clarify the concepts. Okay. Next 97. The attitude of the teacher that affects teaching pertains to affective domain. Question number 98. Which is the highest level of cognitive ability? Correct answer is evaluating. Question number 99. Which factor does not impact teaching? Which factor is there which does not impact the teaching? The correct answer should be the socio-economic background of the teachers and students. If teacher is very poor, economically poor, or student belongs to very poor family, then it will not affect the teaching. Okay. So which factor will not affect the teaching? The socio-economic background of the teachers and the students. 100 number. How teaching aids are helpful? When teachers are using teaching aids, then how it will be helpful? So it will be helpful as they help in. How teaching aids is helpful? The correct answer will be number 1, they help in retaining concepts for longer duration. Number 2, they help students learning better, in a better way, learn better. Number 3, they make teaching learning process interesting. All these 3 will be correct. Means teaching aids are very helpful. Why? Because teaching help in retaining concept. Teaching aids help in retaining concept for longer duration. They help students learn better. They make the teaching learning process interesting. Okay. So all the best for your B.Ed entrance exam. Thank you everyone. If you like this video, then please subscribe to the channel. Very soon I will come with new and interesting videos. Okay. Thank you. Goodbye and take care.